All right, make a little video just showing off some of my progress learning 3D. I'll be making this little hare game. You run around as a hare, and it's going to be a sort of platformer, I suppose. You can jump up really high, and there'll be various islands and things. But mostly it's going to be me, I think, trying to learn 3D, trying to learn how to animate like this hair, trying to animate this hair, how to animate the jumps, and how to animate everything. And I've been making these flowers, and yeah, I'm really happy with them so far. So I'm probably going to call it for making these 2D flowers now, because obviously, you know, there's only so much I can do with these 2D mesh. I think they look okay though, but obviously they're not as going to look as good as an actual 3D mesh. But it was nice to do this because I had my skills, I guess, from 2D, and I could transfer it over to 3D, and that felt really good. But obviously I've got to move on at some point and try to learn how to do proper plants and things. I did do this tree, this oak tree, but I didn't actually make it. I made it in a generator. There's this fantastic generator I found called Treeit, and yeah, it generates a tree. You have to set up a bunch of variables and things, but it seems super powerful. And I'm probably going to end up using that program to make all of my shrubs and things, because it seems super easy to add in your own meshes, like, because at the end of the day, like, you look at these leaves, they're actually just 2D meshes, right? 2D images, right? So I can actually, what I can do is I can draw my own leaves, and then I can make my own trees, because there's obviously a few trees that I can't make in the generator because it doesn't have the correct it doesn't have the leaves. So like the hazel tree and the yew tree that I want to do, and a holly tree. I have a whole list of trees that I want to do, but I think I'm pretty happy so far with that generator. And obviously this grass, I'm really happy with this grass. Um, you know, it would look better as probably a mesh if I learn how to do the mesh, and I will learn how to do mesh eventually. I mean, eventually I'm gonna have to do like a fern, and all of that, and the water. Right, the water at the moment, I just did a very quick, like, 1 minute tutorial on it. The water doesn't actually work at the moment. the water the water doesn't work. It's just there. But at some point I'm going to learn how to do like a proper shader or something. Anyway, I just wanted to make a little bit of an update on what I'm doing recently. Obviously I'm not working on Grand Fantasy Heroes anymore. I did a small update, but I think it'd be nice to do these little devlogs, just me rambling. Hopefully that's a little bit entertaining. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I made this rock as well. Oh, I made the island as well. Maybe I should show the island, right? Because I just actually put a lot of effort into texturing this island. So here's the island. But you never see the bottom of it. Oh, no, it fell. Okay. Okay, well, thanks for watching.